We are screwed. It is 6 PM and our front axle is bent. After fixing everything on the car during the day, we went on a final test drive to check if everything is working now. Then it happened. We've bent the front axle so bad that there was no way we would be able to compete the next morning at 6 AM. Lawrence will explain in a second what happened exactly.
Schau mal an, ey, das ist voll auf Druck. Die fahren mir ein paar hundert Meter und es ist vorbei.
We were just driving home actually. We were going like 60, 65 and then there was a big jump and we flew into the sky, and after that there was like a hole which washed out, and so we exactly hit the front axle into the hole. And so if you guys are into mechanics, normally the shaft should be straight and should not touch this side. And if you look at the axle from the front, it's bended. It's unfortunate, but something like that can happen, you know. We just tested the car and now Hadrian is gonna completely dismantle the axle and see what he can do. But we will find a solution. Worst case situation, we will remove the shaft to the front axle so that we just drive rear wheel drive and finish the Dakar. Of course, position doesn't matter for us anymore. Yeah, as you can see, sorry, we also didn't participate today. We skipped because we didn't, you know, they welded the whole thing in the car, and there was no time for it today. Yeah, we needed to fix it, but fortunately this happened at like, I would say 5 PM. But yeah, we will find a solution. That's it for today. I'll keep you up to date and I wish you guys a nice evening. Have a good one. Bye. Thank you.
After removing the whole axle, we started with the plan we worked out in the meantime. Here a quick drawing to show you how we planned to bend the axle back into shape. The outside of the axle been placed on 2 jack stands. On top of the bended part we placed a 25 tons truck jack lift. The whole construction is placed under our service truck and is pushing against the frame to get the weight on the axle. In the end we've basically built our own backyard hydraulic press. So it actually worked out. The axle is straight again, more or less. At least this one is able to move again. And now we need to weld something. I don't know actually where, but something broke during the jump. Needs to get welded. And then it's time to put it together again and see if it's working out. So fingers crossed. So it's 2 AM and we got the axle halfway in. So it is meanwhile 4:30 AM. 10 hours ago we bent the front axle. Now it's back in the car. Only thing missing is oil in the differential and the tires, and then we can go for a test ride. In 1 hour Max and Lawrence are getting ready for the next stage, so just in time to fix. Yes, we made it. It's still not 100% straight, but straight enough.
Oh.
After a quick test drive, we've been able to give it a go for today's stage. It's 6 AM, we made it, they're on the way, and fingers crossed that the car comes in 1 minute back home.